Power BI is growing rapidly in demand due to the increasing focus on business intelligence and data visualization. If you want to become a successful Power BI developer in 2025, this video is your roadmap. Let's dive in. Under Oath have written this LinkedIn newsletter, so if you want to read, you can check the description. Step 1. Build a strong foundation. First, you need a strong foundation in data basics. Start with Excel. Familiarize yourself with data cleaning, pivot tables, and formulas. Then, move to SQL. Master data querying, joining tables, and working with relational databases like SQL Server or MySQL. To kickstart your learning, explore courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Microsoft Learn. A great starting point is a Data Analytics Basics course. Step 2. Master Power BI skills. Next, dive deep into Power BI itself. Focus on these core areas: data import and transformation. Understand Power Query for ETL operations. Data modeling. Learn about star schema and relationships between tables. DAX or data analysis expressions. Develop proficiency in creating complex measures. Visualization. Build interactive and visually appealing dashboards. And finally, work on real-time data integration using Azure Stream Analytics or REST APIs. Master these, and you'll be on your way to creating stunning and insightful dashboards. Step 3. Get certified. Certifications can make you stand out in the job market. Start with the Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate, or PL 300. And if you're interested in cloud solutions, consider the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals Certification. These certifications validate your skills and boost your credibility. Step 4. Gain practical experience. Learning is great, but practical experience is essential. Take on freelance or volunteer projects. Build dashboards for small businesses or nonprofits. Join hackathons to test your skills in BI-related competitions. And aim for internships in data-related roles to get hands-on experience. Step 5. Learn supporting tools. To become a well-rounded Power BI developer, learn supporting tools and technologies. Explore Azure data services like Azure SQL and Synapse Analytics. Learn Power Automate and Power Apps to extend Power BI's functionality. And pick up Python or R for advanced data science tasks and custom visuals. Step 6. Network and stay updated. Networking and staying updated are key to staying relevant in the BI world. Join communities on LinkedIn, the Microsoft Power BI community, and Reddit. Follow trends through blogs and webinars. And attend conferences like Microsoft Build and Power Platform Conference to expand your network. Step 7. Develop soft skills. Technical skills are important, but soft skills set you apart. Work on communication skills to explain insights to non-technical stakeholders. And develop critical thinking to identify business problems and provide data-driven solutions. Step 8. Job search strategy. Finally, let's talk about landing your first job. Create a strong Power BI portfolio showcasing your projects. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and specialized job boards for BI roles. And target industries like finance, healthcare, retail, and tech, which have a strong demand for BI professionals. With these steps, you'll be well prepared for a successful career as a Power BI developer in 2025. To conclude, I can say, Power BI is an exciting tool with immense potential for career growth. Follow this roadmap, stay consistent, and you'll unlock countless opportunities in the world of business intelligence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others aspiring to excel in Power BI.